Well, new disputes involve Airbnb. Are they really tenants? Do you have a limit on the number of people who can be tenants in your condo building? And if I'm only in there for, say, 3, 4, 5 days out of the month, am I really a tenant? And so it kind of goes back to what my partner said about reading the condo documents and becoming familiar with them. And you have to work with the people who own the units in order to avoid the legal problems.
Probably the biggest mistake they make is just not talking with their attorney. Kind of figuring out what is going on and understanding the law and catching little issues before it turns into something much bigger.
And some of the people we've talked to today have talked about how educating yourself is like a very, very important step. So can you talk a little bit about how someone would educate themselves about their lawyer or about the governance of their building?
Sure. First, you want to start out with one, finding out who your lawyer is and just reaching out to them and asking them to introduce themselves, maybe come to a board meeting and kind of talk a little bit about what they know and what they can offer the association, as well as knowing your governing documents, knowing which piece of legislation governs, whether it be the Illinois Common Interest Act or the Illinois Condominium Property Act.
That's great. So read and ask.
Yes, definitely read and ask.